dito ba? Wala. Orgy ba yun?
Do what you want. And inch by inch we get closer and closer to every little part of each other. Ooh, baby. So let the music take your mind. Just release and you will find you're gonna fly away. Let go of my way. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is played for love. Cruising is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together.
Baboy, na.
Ano kaya?
Parang may
Parang sa'yo lang bagay eh.
Hindi ko kaya.
Diba kasi yung ginagawa nyo ganun eh. Hindi ko lang nag-get.
Ako lang nag-get.
Kasi iba yung ginagawa nyo, parang ganun eh. Parang sa inyo. Parang gusto mo pag nakatayo ka eh.
Hindi pag nakatayo lang.
Sorry. Kaya siguro nangindam sa'yo si Lix tayo.
Tumigil na kayo ah.
Iwi ba ka na? Ganun lang naman yun ah. Gano'n? Hindi yun. Sabi ni Lix pa, sabi lang nga ba eh. Pinagpa-practice niya ito. For the day, for the night, for the... Forever! For that one time. I just stay beside you and I love you, baby. Let the music take your mind. Okay. Yung parang comedian. Ano? Hindi naman siya bamboy eh. Parang gano'n. Hindi ko kaya eh. Whatever. Bitch! I don't believe you. Sa'yo slow. I like it slow eh. In the morning. Anytime.
Anytime.
Particularly in the morning.
Everywhere, every corner.
In the morning is better. It's better. In the morning.
On the spot is good.
Made for love. I love it when I love it. I love it. I love it.
Huwag na sasabog na ako, girl. Blue na ito.
Parang wala tayong
I love it.
Siguro dahil super gutom, tapos bigla na lang kakain ng madami.
Ako hindi ko pa talaga kaya. Ng bonggang-bongga.
At saka ang pangat nito.